to learn very essential and interesting task of a GIS project, which is georeferencing an image map. In this lecture, we will learn what is georeferencing. If you are already ArcGIS user, then definitely you already know what is georeferencing, what is projection system. But if you are new in GIS field, then let me tell you about georeferencing. Georeferencing image map means provide an image map a real-world position by using a particular coordinate reference system or projection system by using exact latitude-longitude values. See, in here we have an image map of USA state which also contain some latitude-longitude values in a particular points. Now this is only an JPG image. We can't use this map as a GIS project map without georeferencing. After georeferencing, this map will get a real-world position in any base map with exact latitude-longitude value. This latitude-longitude value will be used to create georeferencing for this map. To georeferencing, first of all, we need to create the georeferencing system for this image map. After that, we need to input this latitude-longitude value, which means coordinate points in georeferencing language. After that, this map will be a georeferenced image map. Without georeferencing, this is a Photoshop image map, nothing else. So let's make this map as georeferenced image map so that we can use it for our GIS project. This is an essential task any GIS project. Say if you get a JPG image map with latitude longitude value, you will be asked to make this map as georeferenced map. After that, you need to digitize this map by using your shapefiles, and you will be asked to create shapefile based on this image map, for which definitely first of all you need to georeference that image map. After that, you can digitize this map. Without georeference, you can't digitize this map. You can't create a vector map of this. In SuperMap, we can easily georeference an image map. In this lecture, you have this JPG image as attached resource file with this lecture. So after watching this lecture, use this for your practical task. And now let's see in our next lecture how to georeference an image map very easily by using SuperMap iDesktop Smart interface. Till then, enjoy GIS.